Hello, taxation department. I don't live here.
So Al, is there a problem with this?
No problem at all, kid. No, when I'm here, there's nothing's a problem. I got a pulse. You got a pulse? End of problem.
Is there a problem with the car?
Yes, there is.
Naughty. Yeah.
This is Alyssa.
I thought.
Come here, love.
Get out of it. Oh, look at that little.
When I knew that I needed a bustering muggy.
Do you want a bit of advice? If you use the services of an exorcist, make sure you pay your bills on time, otherwise you could get repossessed.
Do I look right?
Yeah, kind of boring, fat and sweaty, but that's all right.
What I'm doing, this comes from blacksmith days, you know. You got to think about that being a person or a woman or a dog or whatever, but give it a hide.
We start again.
You can't talk about dogs like that.
Cross that out. Cut.
Mustering, bull buggy. Hey, we're back. No, I'm in. I'm back after.
When I knew that I needed a mustering buggy for the season, I knew I had to call Al and Andrew. They well and truly proved that they know everything. And they like to tell me that. You're just making me do the dishes for them to go away.
I would never do such a thing.
My wife goes to a beauty parlour. I got into trouble. And when she comes back, I said, what would they shot? Then she said, he said, does he spend money? And I said, well, she lost her credit card, but I didn't report it because the thief's spending less money than she does. No, that's not guessing.
You told me it was 10 minutes ago. You said that's guessing. I deal in facts and figures.
I know.
I'm sorry, facts and figures. Didn't you just sit in the back of a ute yesterday with a bucket of water?
Correct.
To test suspension?
Correct. The only problem is I wonder what's more expensive, the work cover claim or the tool that you have to purchase to negate the work cover claim.
Or the tool that you have to...
Or the tool that you have to pay to use the
hold the bucket.
Plus saying grouse.
Grouse is such a Melbourne word.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Would you like me to use like heaps choice, bro? Or
Do you trust letting Alan loose on a cattle station?
No, that's the truth.
Yeah, say it then.
all right, I reckon we do the fun bit. Are we going to talk about what we're going to do, or?
Nah, you already did that.
Oh, right, okay. Let's get into it.
And we've got terrain tamer coconut oil available, and I've got a heap of that with me. I use it on my hair and me backs and my hands, and I'll look pretty swisho. Won't be ashamed to take my clothes off in future.
Strike me pink! Well, we just got the aircon regassed.
Yeah, it was well ventilated, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get out of the road. Down below.
We got there.
Are you okay? That was a lot.
How'd you come? Oh, don't worry